Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to turn off sticky keys in Windows 11 computer. So to turn off sticky keys you have to right click on the start menu and then click on the settings. Once you click on the settings you have to type sticky here in the search box and you will see sticky keys. Click on that. Once you click on sticky keys it will take you to this page and then just turn this off. Keyboard shortcut for sticky keys, then show sticky keys icon on the taskbar. If you don't want this as well, click on this toggle bar to turn it off, and lock shortcut keys when pressed twice in a row. If you want to turn off this option as well, just do that by clicking on this turn off, and then pretty much same for these two options as well. If you don't want these two options, click them to turn off. So this way you can just turn off sticky keys for your Windows 11 computer. So I hope this video will help you and will resolve your issue. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.